To see about RC circuit. In this video, I want to say two things mainly. The first one is resistors are frequency independent, whereas the capacitors are frequency dependent. Let's see. I have a function generator which generate the frequencies. I prefer sine wave here. It's a easy sine wave. And the second one, breadboard, used to give connection, and here is the oscilloscope, so I can compare my input and output frequency waveforms. Before connecting the RC, I have connected two resistors in parallel, 1 kilo ohm and 1 kilo ohm. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take output at the middle of the two resistors. As it acts like a resistor divider, so the resistor at this point will be 0.5 kilo ohm. So so the waveform will look like the output waveform. This one is the output waveform. The one I'm moving downwards will be half of the input waveform. And even if I increase the frequency hertz to kilohertz, that nothing happened to my have changed the mode to DC. So sine wave have increased to kilohertz, but still I can the input waveform amplitude hasn't changed. Yeah, I'm going to decrease. It hasn't changed. So the resistor is frequency independent, and I have replaced the resistor with capacitor here. So here I connected a resistor in series with the capacitor. Now look at the waveform. Initially it's in the hertz. And then is a hertz. If I change my hertz to kilohertz, this one is my output waveform. So please notice that the amplitude of the input waveform, it will start decrease. At some point it will become flat. So if I increase the frequency, the capacitor acts like a short, and I can get a straight line, this one. Thus I can say a resistor are frequency independent, and whereas the capacitors are frequency dependent. From capacitor acts like a short in a circuit when I increase the frequency to some kilohertz or something, or a higher frequency.